Hi, this is Elise,
Jenny,
Caleb,
from Team Awesome, and we are presenting the idea of a country line dancing club app. The CLDC app, which is a mobile application which will be tied to both the club website and a club database, will be a member management system that will let members sign up, pay, get club information, and connect with other members, all on their mobile devices. Some of the problems we have with our current system is we have inefficient member data collection and record keeping, which we mentioned in our last video, is members actually handwrite their information and officers have to go in and re-input the information later. We have a general lack of web traffic because people don't want to go onto the website, and even if they do, the website itself is a little bit archaic. It's very basic, and we just have information. It has limited functionality, and as far as memberships go, members are not able to sign up for memberships nor pay for their memberships online. And then going back to that, we have a general lack of communication between officers and club members. We send out a weekly email, but not many of the members actually read it. A lot of this would be solved by switching to the CLDC app. We'd save time gathering and organizing information, because members would go and either input their information onto the website or through the app. We would give members the ability to provide feedback of the event so that we could improve it, and we'd make information about the CLDC more accessible to the members and public as well. In part by having push notifications from your iPhone so that members can go and just get all of the information about the events sent directly to their phone.
So this is our context level data flow diagram. Right now, we'd say that members are sending their member information to the line dancing system and receiving club information as a result. And officers can input and update club information and receive reports about the club happenings right now. This is our level 0 diagram. Let's start down here with new member registration. The member will send their information and register, and then they will be able to pay and gain a receipt. That information goes to a credit card system, and then we will input that member into the members table. And the member will receive their member ID, which will help them gain access to the rest of the app. So up here on our existing member can access the website and request songs and check into events. But the event check-in, it'd be something like a Facebook event check-in where people can see all the members present, and that information is then sent back to the existing member so they can check in and see who's there and maybe who they even want to dance with. Also, we can see what songs people are requesting, and that'll go into the event table, and we will generate a song list so that our DJ knows what to play. We can also create reports, so we can generate consistency across events and see what works and what doesn't work in certain events. And that report goes to officers. Officers can also create events, and that information is uploaded into the event table, which can be accessed by existing members later.
Okay, so here we have a screenshot of an entity relationship diagram that we created in Microsoft Access. Currently we have 7 tables. Most of them just have one primary key, one secondary key, but there's a couple here where we use the composite key. Let's start with members. We decided that we just wanted the first and last name of each member, what their rank was, and whether or not they paid club dues, and most importantly, what their email is. That's how they would sign on to the app and to the website. Each member has a certain rank, either associate or maybe officer, and each one would have voting privileges or not. For transactions, when you go to a dance, you have to pay. We decided that we didn't need transaction details. We would just keep track of this through transaction date, event date, and member ID. Next we go to events. We were going to keep track of the event date, the description, the type, and the location. Type is whether or not it's a barnyard, it's lessons, and for each one there's a certain amount of instructors that are required. And these instructors each have a different teaching level, whether it's the two-step, the waltz, whatever it may be. You may notice here that dances isn't connected to anything. We decided that it didn't need to be. And so we're going to just keep track of the song, the dance, the difficulty, and the type. Songs can have many dances, and dances can have many songs. The way that we solve this is by just creating this composite key of song and dance. Okay, so that was just kind of an overview of our CLDC app that we're going to create for the Country Line Dancing Club. And thank you for watching our video.